meters above the Adriatic is the mean sea level datum used in Austria and some other Central and Southeast European countries to measure elevation, referring to the average water level of the Adriatic Sea at the Sartorio mole in the Port of Trieste. Gauge. The gauging station in the Port of Trieste was established in the 19th century by the local observatory run by the Military Geographical Institute of the Austro-Hungarian Army. The average water surface elevation at Molo Sartorio became the datum valid for the whole Austro-Hungarian monarchy, whilst the former Yugoslavian states still use it. The Eastern Bloc successor states of Austria-Hungary like Hungary and Czechoslovakia after World War II switched to the Kronstadt gauge of the Baltic Sea, which is 0.6747 meters higher, whilst for Austria the 1875 gauge is used as the datum. The regions of the former Yugoslavia use the 1900 gauge. In Albania they also refer to heights as meters above the Adriatic but use a specific tide gauge in the port of Durrës. Abbreviation. The individual countries using this datum abbreviate it in different ways depending on the local language, as follows: Austria MU, Adria MUA, or MUA, colloquially known as Sihoe or Adriahoe. Hungary, MAF from Meta Adria Felat. Former Yugoslavian states, M.I.J. from Metara is Nadjadrarana. Meters above the Adriatic may be abbreviated in English to MA. Height differences between Austria and neighboring countries. In Austria, orthometric height is used, while its neighbors use other height systems, which leads to differences. On the state borders these differences are: Germany, +25 to +34 centimeters, normal height according to the normal Hohenlohe leveling system based on the Amsterdam Ordinance datum. Italy, -0.5 to -3.2 centimeters, orthometric height referring to Genoa tide gauge. Switzerland and Liechtenstein, -1.6 to -7.5 centimeters, orthometric height meters above the sea, based on the elevation of the Piers du Niton in Lake Geneva at 373.6 meters above average Marseille tide gauge. Slovakia, +57 centimeters, normal height based on Kronstadt tide gauge. Slovenia, -8 to -12 centimeters, normal orthometric height referring to 1900 Trieste tide gauge. Czech Republic, +46 to +56.3 centimeters, normal height based on Kronstadt tide gauge, and Hungary, +49.6 to +60.6 centimeters, normal height above sea level based on the elevation of the NADAP benchmark at 173.163 meters above Kronstadt tide gauge.